God, look up there.
What is that?
I've never seen a sunset quite like this.
It's truly magical here.
I agree. It feels like home.